TSP Withdrawal Options, what you need to know. Navigating TSP withdrawals can be challenging but crucial for your retirement security. Get free Gold IRA Guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Guide to TSP Withdrawal Options. 1. Full withdrawal. Take your entire TSP balance in one lump sum. Pros: quick access to all funds. Cons: high tax burden and risk of depleting savings quickly. 2. Monthly payments. Receive a steady income through fixed or life expectancy-based payments. Pros: spreads tax liability and provides consistent income. Cons: less flexible once set, potential to outlive funds. 3. Annuity purchase. Use TSP funds to buy a lifetime income guarantee through MetLife. Pros: guaranteed income for life. Cons: irreversible, lower payouts with low interest rates. 4. Partial withdrawal. Withdraw part of your TSP while keeping the rest invested. Pros: flexibility and continued growth for remaining funds. Cons: limited to one pre- and post-retirement withdrawal. 5. Required minimum distributions, RMDs. Begin mandatory withdrawals at age 73 to avoid penalties. Pros: satisfies IRS rules and reduces tax burden over time. Cons: required even if funds aren't needed. Key tip: always consider tax implications and long-term needs. Consulting a financial advisor can help you choose wisely. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.